reviewing the world down under.
Hey, g'day everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. Hope life is treating you all kindly. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a mouse mat. But this is not any old mouse mat. This is an Alti Play performance desk mat from a company called JRNY. So as you will see from my previous videos, I have featured JRNY products before. They will be in a link in a video at the end if you want to have a look. But this one was featuring their passport holder, a MagSafe card holder and a keyring. All of these products from JRNY seem to be really good, and all of the early mentioned items come with Find My as standard, which makes them a necessity for travel. I especially like them just for those reasons alone. Before I go any further with this unboxing, I will just say, although I have featured JRNY products in a couple of times, they have not sent me these items for a biased review. I've paid for them with my own money, and this will be an honest unboxing with no outside influence. I just happen to like their products. Having said that, if they're watching this video, I'm always open to looking at their products and providing unboxing and reviews if they wish me to do so. But my opinions will still remain my own. So, okay, let's get on with the specs and the product itself. What we have here is a mouse mat with an attached MagSafe dual charger with RGB lights. As you can see, the presentation of the box is really nice. Good sturdy packaging with a rope effect handle. And it's advertised with an anti-slip base, precision mouse control and anti-fray edges. This is rated for Qi 2 15 watt wireless charging, a generous size mat and RGB lights. The dimensions of this mat is 900 millimeters across and 400 millimeters wide with a thickness of 4 millimeters. The charging portion of this unit is 100 millimeters wide. The material used for the surface of the mat is 100% polyester, and the base is all natural rubber. As previously stated, the phone wireless charging section of this Qi 2 enabled pad with a maximum of 15 watts, and the secondary portion of the charger for earbuds or AirPods has a wireless charging rate of 5 watts maximum. On the charging dock there is 2 buttons that control the LEDs. One button is your light mode control with solid, breathing, snake, scan, rainbow wave and rainbow pulse. The same button also controls your brightness control, which is 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%. Button 2 will take care of the color change control, which will cycle through red, orange, green, cyan, blue, purple, pink, white and rainbow. And the same button will also switch the unit on and off. The LEDs in this unit are rated for a lifetime of 50,000 hours. The color temperature is rated between 1200K and 6500K. The color channel configuration is RGBW, so it has the white element in there. And the RGBW LED output is rated at 1.3 watts maximum. The takeaway for this mouse mat is that it has an anti-slip base, a fine woven surface and stitched edges to extend the mat's lifespan. Also to note that the charging panel is magnetically detachable, so it will sit on either left or right side of the mouse mat depending on your personal preferences. So let's crack on, open it up and have a look. Like I say guys, there's just always a nice presentation with these boxes. They're well packaged, well put together, very presentable. So we have a little arrow in here that tells us to pull that out. That looks like the mat itself. And we have the charging element, and that's it, the box is empty. Okay, first things first. Just take the sleeve off the charger. Okay, so this is very nice. So like it says on the sticker there, we have button 1. So hold it down for 2 seconds and that will adjust the brightness, and then click it for your light mode. Button 2, hold it for 2 seconds to switch it on and off, and then that will cycle through the colours. Right, I don't know about you, but that is a beautiful bit of kit. So as you can see, there's the LED elements that run underneath down the sides, with a very nice rubber mat to stop any slipping. So it says on the back, the phone wireless charging Qi 2 enabled is 15 watts, and then the AirPods and earbuds wireless charging is 5 watts maximum. Designed in Australia, made in China. Of course it is. Okay, so we have this other little box to the side. Okay, here is your USB-C to USB-C cable. And then we have a little cleaning cloth, which is always nice to have. The USB-C cable is 1.5 meters long, so it should be sufficient to run to any external charger behind your desk. Okay, so let's peel back this. I'm going to have to do some reconfiguration on my desk because I have an ultra-wide OLED MSI monitor. It has very big legs, so I might have to do some adjustments in order to make this mouse mat fit. But I'm loving it already. And then we flip it over, so that will give you your grippy surface. And it does, it grips it very well. And then the mouse mat just snaps onto the charger there. I'll drag it across for you because we're not wide enough to see it. But so yeah, it magnetizes to the side of the mat like that. And obviously if you swap it over to the other side, it will magnetize on the left or the right. USB-C port there on the rear. Okay, so in order just to show you the LEDs, there's nothing really to show on the mouse mat itself. But I will connect up the cable and just give you a little demonstration of how the LEDs look. Okay. So there we go. There's our buttons. We have the red light on the Qi wireless charger. And as you can see, if I just make the room slightly dark, you can see there's the red LED portions. So that will cycle through the colours. There we go, so we have our green, blue, purple, rainbow effect. This is also on the end, and it is also reflected in the Qi wireless charging element. So if we hold that button in, then we've got our brightness levels. So there's your 100% brightness. There's your 75%. There's your 50. So there you go. I'll just get my phone out and we'll plonk it on the charger. There you go, there's the charging. As you can see, I'm picking up the whole charging element with the phone. So that'll give you an idea how strong the magnets are in there. Very, very strong. Considering this is actually laying down on a desk, I don't think there's any need for it to be that strong, but strong magnets is always appreciated either way. So there you go. That is the Alti Performance Desk Mat. I will set it up properly in a minute and attach a couple of photos to the end of this video so you can see it set up. Unfortunately, I haven't got a wide enough angle on my camera to show you it in real time, but I'll post some pictures at the end of this video. Then I'll check out the performance, see what it's like. As you can see, it's working absolutely fine. All the LEDs work, so yeah, that's all good. So there you go. It does what it says on the tin. In fact, before I forget, I will just plant the AirPods on there, and as you can see, the AirPods are charging as well. So there we go. So that's it. That is the Alti Performance Desk Mat. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video and having a quick look. I hope it's helped you out. If you like it, please hit the like button, as it really does help make the channel grow, and it will encourage me to make some more videos for you to enjoy. If you are interested in any of the products that JRNY sell, I will throw a link up in the description. At the moment, they are running 10% off on some of their products, but with Prime Day upon us, there's going to be a lot of savings to be had for the next few days, so it may be worth taking a look. So remember, stay safe, keep positive, and don't let life bring you down. Have a good one, okay?
Reviewing the world down under.